Imagine finishing a week's worth of work in just one day. Sounds impossible, right? Well, with the power of AI, it's not only possible, but incredibly simple. AI tools can boost your productivity tenfold, from scheduling your day to writing perfect content. Stick around as we uncover 10 game-changing AI tools that will revolutionize how you work. Get ready to supercharge your productivity. Number 1. Videos. AI Profile Picture Generator. First up, we have Videos, an AI tool that generates high-quality profile pictures in seconds. If you've ever dreaded going to a photo studio just for that perfect LinkedIn picture, Videos is your answer. Simply upload a clear front-face photo. Select your gender, choose a style, and voila, you'll have a professional-looking headshot in no time. The flexibility of this tool is unmatched. You can switch styles even after the photo is generated, making it incredibly convenient. Here's a tip: enhance your picture even further using an image upscaler like Enhance AI. This means you can add that extra polish to make your profile picture stand out even more. For anyone needing a quick and professional online presence without the hassle of a photo shoot, Videos is the perfect solution. Number 2. Reclaim AI, Smart Scheduling Assistant. Next, we have Reclaim AI, a powerful scheduling assistant that acts as a productivity booster for your Google Calendar. This AI tool doesn't just plan your day, it optimizes it. It automatically finds the best time slots for your meetings, tasks, breaks, and even personal habits. The Smart Meetings feature is a game changer. Reclaim AI adjusts your schedule seamlessly, finding the best times for your meetings without any hassle. What's more, Reclaim AI helps you build and maintain habits by scheduling them directly into your calendar. For example, if you tend to skip lunch, Reclaim AI will ensure it's on your schedule, adjusting other tasks around it. This feature is a lifesaver for project managers and team leaders, streamlining scheduling and reducing stress while keeping everyone productive. Number 3. Perplexity, AI Research Assistant. Perplexity is an AI research assistant that transforms how you approach search and research. It accelerates your research process by compiling information from various sources and presenting it in a coherent, easy-to-understand manner. Unlike other tools, Perplexity does the heavy lifting for you and provides source links for easy fact-checking. It's like having a personal researcher on call. What makes Perplexity stand out is its Pro Search feature, which makes the AI even smarter. It asks clarifying questions to better understand your needs, making the research process more interactive and personalized. Whether you're diving into academic papers or sifting through YouTube videos, Perplexity ensures you get the most relevant information, making it a must-have for anyone who spends a lot of time gathering and verifying data. Number 4. Wolfram Alpha, Computational Intelligence. Wolfram Alpha is the go-to tool for anyone dealing with data, whether you are an engineer, researcher, or student. This tool lets you input complex queries and instantly get interactive forms with parameters that you can manually adjust. From performing calculations to analyzing data and generating graphs, Wolfram Alpha handles it all with ease. A standout feature of Wolfram Alpha is its ability to analyze images. It can recognize texts, formulas, and even study colors and effects in images, making it invaluable for anyone needing detailed visual data analysis. Whether you are calculating orbital paths or analyzing vast datasets, Wolfram Alpha makes complex data handling simple and efficient. Number 5. Neuron Writer, SEO Content Generator. Neuron Writer is an excellent AI tool for generating SEO-optimized content. It starts by analyzing your main keyword and conducting in-depth research on your competitors. Based on this, Neuron Writer generates a fully optimized article, complete with all necessary keywords. You can also preview how your snippet will appear in Google search results, which is crucial for maximizing visibility. One of the best aspects of Neuron Writer is its real-time feedback on your article's SEO score. It offers suggestions to improve keyword usage and sentence structure, saving you hours of manual research and editing. If you're a content creator looking to quickly boost your SEO game, Neuron Writer is the perfect tool to help you create high-quality, optimized content in minutes. Number 6. Quillbot, Advanced Paraphrasing and Grammar Checking. Quillbot is a versatile tool for writers needing to paraphrase content or ensure flawless grammar. It offers various writing styles: fluency, formal, academic, and creative, allowing you to choose the tone that best suits your needs. Simply paste your text, select the desired style, and Quillbot refines your content for improved readability and accuracy. What sets Quillbot apart is its comprehensive grammar checker, which not only identifies errors, but also suggests corrections. Plus, Quillbot includes a built-in plagiarism checker, making it an all-in-one solution for writers. The ability to summarize and translate text further adds to its utility. For anyone looking to enhance their writing, Quillbot provides a robust set of features to ensure your content is polished and professional. Number 7. Codium. AI for programmers. Codium is an essential tool for programmers, particularly when writing test cases. This AI tool generates test cases, identifies potential errors, and offers logical suggestions, saving you from the tedious task of manual test writing. It's especially beneficial for junior programmers, helping them understand their code better and avoid common pitfalls. Codium also provides detailed code analysis, including inputs, flow, and output, making it easier to understand and document your projects. The tool even offers improvement suggestions, introducing you to a new programming techniques or best practices. By streamlining the test writing process and offering insightful analysis, Codium helps programmers write more reliable and efficient code. Number 8. Rezi AI. Resume Builder. Rezi AI is a groundbreaking tool for job seekers. It creates tailored resumes by analyzing job descriptions and extracting the most relevant keywords. After answering a few questions about your experience and skills, Rezi AI generates a resume that highlights your strengths and perfectly aligns with job requirements. But Rezi AI doesn't just stop at creating resumes. It optimizes them for ATS, or applicant tracking systems, significantly increasing your chances of getting noticed by recruiters. The AI handles the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on preparing for interviews rather than worrying about your resume. With Rezi AI, you can confidently present yourself as the ideal candidate for any job. Number 9. Product Scope. Amazon Listing Optimizer. For Amazon sellers, Product Scope is a transformative tool. This AI tool enhances your product listings by creating high-quality photos and optimizing descriptions. It removes backgrounds, seamlessly blends products into different scenes, and generates attractive professional images that drive conversions. Product Scope excels in keyword optimization too. By analyzing your product in competition, it suggests the best keywords to boost your listing's reach. The tool also generates bullet points and compelling descriptions, making your product stand out in a crowded market. With Product Scope, you can quickly and efficiently enhance your Amazon listings, leading to better visibility and increased sales. Number 10. Gemini by Google. AI-powered content creation. Finally, we have Gemini, an advanced content creation assistant. Gemini by Google is a fantastic AI tool that's really making waves in the content creation world. It's integrated with Google's suite of products, so it fits right into what you might already be using. Whether you are writing a blog post, crafting social media content, or even creating a story, Gemini helps you get it done quickly and efficiently. The AI is designed to produce text that feels natural and engaging, which is perfect for anyone looking to boost their content game. What makes Gemini stand out is how easy it is to use. Despite being packed with advanced features, it can handle a wide range of content types, making it a versatile tool for all your content needs. If you're looking to save time and improve the quality of your writing, Gemini is definitely worth considering. It's all about helping you create great content without the usual stress and hassle. And there you have it. 10 amazing AI tools that can dramatically boost your productivity and make your work life significantly easier. These tools not only save time, but also enhance the quality of your output, making you more efficient and effective. So give them a try and watch your productivity soar.